Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faizan and in this video I will show you the preparation of speakers or woofer, you can say. I built the two speakers, but in this video I will show the preparation of only single speaker. So let's begin how to do it. Cleaning process. This is the speaker which we will repair now. It is a 4 ohm impedance and 500 watt. For preparing you need pieces of X-rays, soldering apparatus, cutter, scotch tape, solution tape, etc. For preparing you need spiders, single spider, diaphragm, coil, UD and smooth bond. You will also need some amount of petrol. Just from a nearby bike, pour some amount of petrol for cleaning. So paste using a brush, paste petrol all over the speaker and put amount of petrol inside the magnet gap and shake it well. It will remove all the dust. When you will pour out, you can see a lot of dust will come out. Do it sometimes. To remove the particles from the magnet, use scotch tape, scotch side outside. Use a piece of X-ray and move it all around the magnet. Do it multiple times to clean it well. Now preparing process. First of all, check the connectivity of coil using a multimeter. Now make some space inside the spider using a cutter or anything else. Now place the coil inside the magnet. The coil should be little bit higher than the magnet. Use the pieces of X-ray to fix the coil and lock in place. Now bond the spider on the space using the smooth bond. Use the UD to cover all around the coil. First of all, press 2 holes in the diaphragm and use the wire. Now place it in space and solder the wires with the coil. Now put UD inside the gap between the spider and the diaphragm. Now solder the wires from outside terminals. Spread UD all around the diaphragm. Now use a small piece of X-ray as a dust cap. Now speaker is ready. It will take 24 hours for drying process. So now I have installed both of the speaker inside the car. So now let's see whether they work or not. Thanks for watching.